So let's see what type of driver we would like to the Wi-Fi adapter we would like to buy. So I searched the Google about the one we are going to buy, which is Leo X's Leo HG300N. Uh, this is very cheap, so we can afford it. For the very beginners, we will they would try to buy such kind of things, whether they are not very deep into that thing or not. So in Amazon, we had found this thing. You can also buy it from the Flipkart. It is approx of 900 rupees. And after some research, I found out that it supports monitor mode, and the chipset used is Realtek RTL CU88 something. So we will install that in our Kali Linux so we can perform monitor mode. So first, after buying this, which I already bought it, so now to install that in our Windows, first go to the GitHub, and here is my name, Ved Vanusali. You can go there, go in the repository, and there you will find a repo of Realtek. Go there. If you already have Git installed, go to HTTPS, copy the link, go anywhere, means Git bash here, and Git clone, and paste the URL, and this will copy the driver. Or if you don't have Git installed, I would recommend to download it from here. Download zip file. After download, which I already downloaded, so let me show you. Every instruction is given already. So first click on the driver or extract it, and click on the setup. It will install in your Windows system. After that, you need to plug in this into your system. So let me plug in it. As you can see, it shows our device. Now go to the virtual machine. I would install Kali 2020.4. I will show you its setting, what we have to do. In network, no, in network, in USB, when you if you don't have already here the driver, then you should click here and add this driver, which is Realtek 802. After doing that, click OK. Then it will add the Wi-Fi adapter into your Kali machine. After that, start the machine. Wait for some time. I'm unplugging the driver for now before we install it in our Kali machine. Now log in through your credential. Open the terminal. And privilege to root. Now I would recommend to do the upgrade of the system, because before I tried to install the driver and there were some problems of Linux header and kernel problems. So I searched the Stack Overflow and I found out that sometimes when fresh install, Linux header were not installed, and so it's better to upgrade the system. So first we'll update. Oops, sorry. I'm not doing that because I already done that. Then upgrade, and everything is completely upgraded. And one more thing, apt list upgrade. Yeah, you have to perform these things, and after that there is a driver of compact driver. We have to first install that so we can get the first. Let me show that I don't have any WLAN 0 interface here. So first we need to install that, so at least we have an interface, and after that we will install the driver which support that. So first go to GitHub and my repository which is on Ved Bhanusali. Then go to this compact wireless, copy. We'll go to op directory where I install the stuff, external stuff. And then git clone, paste this URL. Okay, so it is done. So let's list. So it is a tar bz2 file, so we will extract it, minus x j vf, I think, then compact. After extraction we will find a directory compact, so let's get into it. ls now. So let's get the readme file. Oops. No, it's not working. So here are the instructions of how to install that. So I will show you how to install that because I already knew. So first we'll make unload. After doing that, make load, perform this task, and this will do this. Now let's take our configuration interface. So we will include this WLAN and WLAN1. And now one more thing we need to install is a driver of our Wi-Fi adapter, which is in my repository. I'll show you. which is this RTL 8821CU. Copy this and git clone. I already done that, so no need to do that, which will give you this directory. So I'm not doing that, you just have to perform this. Now go into this RTL folder. Now to install this, we will do perform this operation d. Okay, wait. First, so here are some instructions we need to perform first. First, we to make sure that we have make install, GCC install, BC install, and git install. So if it is already installed, then you have to check whether it is installed or not. So you have to do this. First I'll check make, yes it is installed. Then we will check GCC, yes it is installed. BC install, and what was the other thing, git, which is also installed. What are the things which yes it is done. After doing upgrade, you will find this is also done. Now to install with DKMS, so first we need to install DKMS, which is also installed, but so DKMS, but this is also already installed, so, but I want to show you how to install that. So you just need to this apt install it like BC, which will install, because I already have that, so I no need to do that again. But you need to install like this apt and the software name like DKMS, git, GCC, and rest of the things. Now to install this driver, we will perform this thing, DKMS install.sh. You need to do this thing. After performing this, you will find this because I had already installed it, it is not showing, but in your case it will perform the process and it will install in your thing. Now let's check our Wi-Fi config file. Now we are WLAN 0, so let me show you where to run it in the monitor mode. So for the WLAN 0, we'll do it in the monitor mode by aircrack ng, so mon ng check kill. We do this because we do not want anything to interrupt in our process to do the monitor mode. So after doing airmon check kill, so now we will plug in our Wi-Fi adapter in the system, and I will recommend to plug in the USB 2.0. Now go to the device, USB, and check the Wi-Fi adapter name, which is in my case Realtek. Okay, I unchecked it. After doing that, ifconfig, you will find that WLAN 0, WLAN 1. Wait. Now we will do iwconfig and wait, ifconfig WLAN 0 down. After doing that, I have config WLAN 0 mode monitor, and we'll up that thing. Now doing the config, and we'll find that after doing that we'll find another interface which is WLAN 2, which was not before. See, WLAN 0, WLAN 1. Now this is the thing which we plug in now. It's showing now. So we will do that thing. WLAN 2 down. I have config 2 in monitor mode and up. Now doing config, we'll find that it is now in monitor mode. Now let's check our network. Dump arrow. As you can see, we can see all the networks around me in the manage mode. So this is how it works. You can see the another station connected to this thing, which is obviously my MAC address, whatever. So let's cancel this. So this is how it will work. Now you can capture the packets through this WLAN 2.